were lit. I used to say, look at the White Horse coming towards Seaton's. Right there. That's the rain. 10 minutes from now, it'll be rain in the village. You can actually see that. Yep. So folks, from here on in, continue to be safe. It's actually tipping off Guadalupe right now, 50 miles east of Antigua, so northeast of Antigua, so it's actually coming towards us now. So whatever you have to do like me and head inside, get off the road, get off the street. Yes, yep. You can actually hear the sound coming towards us now in the distance. Yeah, you can see the White Horse coming towards me now. Remember little used to say, look at the White Horses coming this way, so anything from here on in, the electricity is gonna go, the internet is gonna go. So, yep. Yeah, you actually can see that. So I just encourage everybody to be safe. Once the electricity goes, make sure your flashlight is working, the power bank is full charge, and try not to move around outside. There's gonna be some serious wind happening. You guys can probably still hear my voice because the wind, I can hear the wind in the distance, can actually hear it, but it's not here, is it? Yes. So what about 10 minutes from now? Chaos. Everybody be safe, and anything from maybe 20 minutes from now, try to stay inside. Don't be going outside. Stay put, stay safe. Yeah, right, that's the general area where the Stingray City is. It's a little island, and then beyond Little Island, that's the airport. Yes, freedom, we just have to just hunker down from here on in and be safe. Because that's gonna be it for me. If I still have internet, I will post any more update. I did the 2 p.m. update already. See the trees starting to dance now at the top of the village. They're right on the edge of the hill. Yep. But it's gonna rain about 8 more minutes from now. It's gonna be heavy rain hitting Seaton's. Straight towards the village right now. Yep, lights, transistor radio, make sure your power bank fully charged. would have downloaded some movies on the tablet. It's gonna get real boring after a while. So be safe, and I'm out.